Hello, my friend. Baxter Cribbs here with you from BaxterCribbs.com, and welcome to today's video. Today we want to talk about YouTube channel analytics and a few interesting facts that show you the truth. Now, my friends, if this is the first time you're here with me today, if you will, please click on the subscribe button down at the bottom right there, the big red button down there. And that way you will not miss any future episodes of the things that I will be able to create and share with you here on this channel. So, have you ever worked your butt off at something and you think, boy, am I doing good? Because you saw a little flash of success, such as like this, where there you are, number 3 on the top of the list of a very difficult word to find. And then you saw another glimpse of glory. Like this email that came here. You got 336 minutes watched. Boy, that's a lot. And they seem to be really proud of that. And then you think, I am doing great because of what all these things are showing me. And then you see this little thing called analytics. And you think, what is that? And so this covers things like, as we can see up here, that the watch time of these things here shows you to your right hand side where that arrow is like 382 minutes, just as we had in my email that came to me that said, wow, look how much you have been watched this week, Baxter. And then it covers other things like views, 223 views of what's going on. And then 4 new subscribers at the time of this here in the last 28 days, I believe is what this thing actually covers for a time period there. And I found out that you can actually adjust that to get a lot more views in there. But it also then over here to the left hand side, it says there analytics. Right there, that big red word and that big red circle. And these are the things that we want to talk about today, just a few of them here, because there are some important things here. Because now, whether you are new in this business or whether you are old in this business, you have to look at the process. You have to look at the results that you're getting because they tell the truth. And when we say the results, we're talking about what's in front of us here. That is the things that the analytics will tell you. As we just already have talked about, it shows you the watch time, the average time view of duration. And let's see if y'all got something going on here. Yes, so when you are old, you got to look at the process because this is what tells you the truth. And this is important because it tells you how hard you are working. You know, sometimes we think we're just really pouring it out there. And it tells you what areas you need to improve in to get better or the most important results. You think you're working good over here, and you get to looking at the analytics and you see, okay, that's not even counting for anything. And so in areas such as these here that we want to look at here, as the individual importance of a device. And when we talk about devices, you see we have here on the side screen talking about the computer or smartphone or tablet, meaning what are they watching your videos on? And we can see here by the describing of it. And as I said, this is a registration here from scale this back. You can look all the way back from 12/7/18 all the way through 2/9/19, which means about 3 months is what we looked at here. And most people here have watched this on this here 352 minutes, I believe it is, on the computer. And the next thing you see is that this is right here is a smartphone, is this red one here, and of course this green one run up here is a tablet, and you see this is one person watched a lot right here, and then you've got just a few things along the bottom in here, which means not very many people are at all doing that. So it means we want to focus on those who are on the computer and those who are on the smartphone. That tells us what's important or what they're using, and that's important. Therefore, we can make our video, our content in this case, smartphone ready as well as computer ready. It also talks about individual importance in watch time. And again, we look right here, and it's my red arrows pointing. You can find watch time on the sidebar right here, and it points out this little list here. So what watch time is there? And this talks about the what that means is the average percentage viewed of watch time of these here circumstances. Now, if I had this on a live video, when I carried my mouse over this, then the minutes or the seconds would pop up here, or the percentage, whichever it may be. And of course, I believe we're talking here in minutes. And so this is actually 2 minutes here, 1 minute here. So right here we got 2 minutes, a minute and a half, 2 minutes and 25 seconds or whatever. You get the idea. Here's a whole 3 minutes being watched right here out of 10-minute videos. That tells you a lot, my friends. That means people are getting off of the video early. That's what that tells you. This is why this is important, is because if you're seeing when people are jumping off of your video, then you want to do something to kind of keep them on the video, or at least go to another video of yours. And you can do this by having cards pop up at the right hand side. Now that we know that the majority of people are getting off somewhere around 2 minutes, then we want one of those little cards that pop up on the corner of your screen that says you may be interested in this video. Watch this video that pertains to so-and-so right here, and they can click on that and off they go to another one. Because see, if they're fixing to leave anyway, why not keep them on your channel if that's going to be possible, if your content's going to do that. Another thing that this does is it shows you down at the bottom right here, it shows you the name of the videos that's being considered in this watch time and so forth. And so watch times right here, it says in minutes now, 77 minutes total for this one video that I done almost a year ago, maybe more than a year ago. And that says that's only 15%. Only 15% out of 24 views right there. And the average duration, if they watched it, as I said, 3 minutes and 13 seconds here. Average percent viewed, 28%. And you could go down the list if you was really on this page, and it would tell you how well your videos are doing. It has them listed in order here of importance. So this is why watch time is so important to identify. Now, the next thing is here the individual importance of individual videos. In other words, you can bring up a video like I did this one here, and you can talk about the view of it. And this one particular video here, on average view duration was only 46 seconds. I didn't do a very good job there, did I? But this is what it's telling you. And here's your line right here, this blue line right here is showing you these things that it's talking about. And it has different meanings. Of course, when you have it live, it shows you difference. But this is audience retention, 46 seconds. That's not a very long time for somebody to watch your video when it's about 10 minutes long at least. Even if it's 46 seconds is not a long time. But that tells you what's going on with your audience. And you could go up here, reached viewers, interested viewers, and so forth, how to build an audience. And it talks about the different things in this particular thing. But you can actually find out the analytics of each individual video that you have put up, and it's important to do so. Now, it's an individual importance to count your money. And here we have, my friends, one of the guys that I learned from, as he is showing us the things that he has done that helped him to be successful on YouTube. And again, his analytics is showing him right here that on 9/17/18 right there, that particular one day estimated revenue was $196 on that day. But the whole time for this year up here, September 1st through September 30th, is saying estimated revenue $6,000.22. This is important stuff to keep up with. And you find this where at? In analytics. So it's important to know these things, my friend. This is what will show you what you're making, how you're making, who's seeing, what's seeing. And it's important, and it's very helpful once you understand. You can find out how many videos you've loaded up. You know, like I thought, man, I've been hitting a video a day, every day, every day, every day. I found a slide that showed me at about 4 days in a row I had a video every day. Then it went to a video every other day, then a video, then, and so you get the picture. It tells you, even though you know you're doing some work, are you actually finishing the goal for that day? This is very important to know because it helps you to see the truth about what you are doing, my friends. So success is important in getting your free training as well. And so this is what I want to show you here, that to learn more about analytics and how to really grow your YouTube channel. To get access, you need to get access to a free training, which was the one on the previous slide back there, which was a 2-hour training. He talks about a lot of stuff to learn there. And you can get that by clicking on this link that you're seeing right here in front of you. But you can't do it on this particular page. Right down there in the description box is where you need to go to click on that. Is this little sign right there says, click the link in the description box below. When you reach a certain standard of views on YouTube, they will then allow you to have clickable links inside your video to go to those trainings. So I want to tell you, my friends, thanks for watching today. Our YouTube channel analytics and a few interesting facts that show you the truth. Understanding, my friend, the truth is needed to know if you're going to move ahead. Sometimes the truth is not pretty because it's not what we really think we're doing. But when you look at the results, that will really tell you where you need to change at and the things you need to do to change it. My friends, I hope you found this to be interesting. And if you have, then please share this with other people. And while you're here, please remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can see the next video. And that's where we will see you at as well. Thanks for watching.